This is a room tour of 15301. It's one of the suites here on the Carnival Celebration. And we're gonna come on in. This is a situation where you have to use your room card to turn on the lights. And as you can see, it's very, very spacious. So as we come in through the front, your bathroom is immediately to your left. It's a very spacious bathroom, as you can see, with the toilet, a very large sink, and a nice large shower. Not your typical small little shower. I am 5'9", so I do appreciate the larger showers. So quite a nice bathroom there, plenty of room. As we come in a little bit further, you can see this is the main space, the main bed. Obviously you can have them separate, or you can have them put together. There's some wonderful features. There's little shelves over here acting as a nightstand. You do have lights here as well that you can use for reading and things like that to not disturb your neighbors. Nice size television here. Obviously we've just boarded. It's September 1st, 2024, so we can have the safety briefing over here. We do have a trash can and a very nice desk, which I will be utilizing to work while I am on the ship. You have a few drawers here, very nice, good size, little thin, but will do the job for now, and I'll tell you why. We do have some wonderful outlets here. We have multiple, which is uncommon here on Carnival ships. If you know, you know. Sorry, trying to turn off the TV here. If you know, you know. So typically you only get one outlet and you have to use a converter and everything, but they do have 3 here. You do have 2 shelves, your water, and a nice little mini fridge here. And then we're going to back up for a second. You're going to come back over here. As you can see on the right hand side, this bed does have the same nightstand and lamp on the side. And you can also control the lights from the middle of the bed, which is very convenient. One plus to this room, obviously, is the amount of closet space you have. We've already kind of put some things away, so I'll apologize in advance. But here you can see the safe, a couple of additional drawers. Looks like you can put your shoes there, and some hanging space as well, large space. And then the other side, more space with more shelving and plenty of hangers. And then we're going to duplicate again with another very large space, plenty of hangers. And again, same thing over here. So there is ample storage and space for your clothes while you're here in this suite. It's a gorgeous suite. One of the things that we do like, we do have our 15-year-old staying with us. This will be her portion of the room. There's a little stand here with a lamp. This is her makeshift bed from the typical sofa. And you can see there's more drawers over here, and she gets her own television, which I don't know about you, but my kid likes to watch TV to go to sleep. So there is an added bonus, and there's a little seat right here. But the added bonus is that there is this beautiful curtain that we can put across. So as you can see, if I back up, it separates the 2 rooms, so we don't have to be disturbed with the television when she's watching it late at night. And again, little table that's been moved out of the way, obviously, because of the bed. Again, beautiful TV. And then this is the space. There is curtains here to close. And we have the most awesome balcony, I believe. Let's go ahead and go outside for a second. We are still docked in Miami, which is where we're leaving out of. But as you can see here, it is an absolutely huge balcony. We're on the part of the ship, and I'll show you here in a second. I'll give you a forward-looking view. So as you can see, there are rooms back here in the cut a little bit. Our in-laws will actually be staying in that room right there. And you can see something similar right across the way. And then if we look this way, there are 2 parts that kind of stick out on the Carnival Celebration. This is Cruise Terminal F, which I believe was designed for the Carnival Celebration. And here's an absolutely beautiful view of Miami. I can tell you it's not the prettiest weather today, but we don't mind because we're heading on a wonderful cruise heading to Grand Turk, Amber Cove, and Nassau. So again, this is the view from the balcony, and you can see it is absolutely huge. I can't say how awesome this room really is. I don't think I've been in one on Carnival quite this large. Grateful to have it. Stay tuned for more videos of the Carnival Celebration as we go through our travel journey. Thank you so much.